Alva Labs HR Honest Review Watch before using recruitment can be a headache, and most companies get this wrong. They rely solely on resumes and interviews. Alva Labs offers an AI-driven platform for skills assessment and candidate evaluation, helping HR teams make better hiring decisions. The surprising truth is that it uses scientifically validated psychometric and cognitive tests to predict job performance. You won't believe how much time it can save hiring teams. Here's how it works. Candidates complete online assessments measuring cognitive ability, personality traits, and professional skills. Alva Labs then generates reports scoring each candidate, highlighting strengths, weaknesses, and fit for specific roles. For example, a customer service role may prioritize empathy and problem solving, and the platform ranks applicants accordingly. Another advantage is bias reduction. Most people assume AI may increase bias, but Alva Labs uses validated metrics designed to complement human judgment and reduce subjective bias in hiring decisions. However, there are considerations. Assessments need to be properly interpreted, and no tool can fully replace human evaluation. Most people assume a high score guarantees success, but cultural fit, experience, and soft skills remain essential. In conclusion, Alva Labs is a powerful tool for HR teams seeking data-driven, efficient, and fair candidate assessment. It streamlines hiring while providing valuable insights, but human oversight is still critical. Subscribe now for more honest reviews of HR and recruitment tools.